Foreign forces, go back!
Go back, go back!
Go back, go back!
Go back, go back!
Go back, go back!
Foreign forces,
Go back!
foreign forces,
Go back!
Indian forces,
Go back!
Pakistani forces,
Go back!
Chinese forces,
Go back!
we want
Freedom!
we want
Freedom!
our demand,
Freedom!
our demand,
Freedom!
we want
Freedom!
our demand,
Freedom!
go back, go back,
Go back!
go back, go back,
Foreign forces, go back!
go back, go back,
Foreign forces, go back!
go back, go back.
Freedom!
Foreign forces,
Go back!
foreign forces,
Go back!
Indian forces,
Go back!
Pakistani forces,
Go back!
Chinese forces,
Go back!
go back, go back.
Go back! Go back! Freedom! 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 Go back! Come back!
Foreign forces,
Go back!
go back, go back.
Foreign forces, go back! Freedom! Freedom!
G7 summit is happening right now, and we're here to ask the G7 to understand that the rights and the people of Jammu Kashmir, this is not a geopolitical issue. We are standing here to call for peace, and we want that peace. I urge G7
हम
nations.
लोगों ने एक आज बड़ा इवेंट इसलिए किया कि ताकि ये मैसेज आ सके कि कश्मीरी जो है वो पीसफुली
Foreign forces, quit Kashmir.
The Jammu Kashmir community of Calgary stand in unity and peace to raise our voices on behalf of the 18 million people of Jammu and Kashmir whose lives have been marked by decades of division, occupation and denial of the fundamental human rights. We speak to politics, but from pain, not from anger, but from hope, and not from the hostility, but from the humanity. To the leaders of the G7, please do not turn away. Please do not ignore the people. For over 70 years, the people of Jammu and Kashmir have lived under the shadow of military occupation and political suppression on both sides of line of control, under both India and Pakistan rule. Entire generation have grown up without knowing freedom, without the right of determine their own future, without security, without dignity, and without peace.
People of Kashmir have been suffering their freedom of last 75 years. We demand the right to self-determination, a right that is the birthright of every human being to be decide their own future. We hope that the world is now taking serious steps to bring India and Pakistan to the negotiation table so that the Kashmiri people may finally granted the right to determine their own destiny in a peaceful and democratic manner. We also call for immediate end to the violence and killing of innocent Kashmiris, especially in the border areas on both sides of Kashmir. Finally, thank you once again for your presence, your support and your commitment to justice and peace.
So we gather over here for support, peace and global cooperation. I, as an advocate and social worker, I just want to raise the issue which is long-standing and which is not highlighted and continuously long-standing. So I want to highlight that issue. That is tensions between India and Pakistan, where we, the Kashmiris, people of Kashmir, we have to suffer. So I want to, whenever these India and Pakistan, we both nations face off politically or militarily, we innocent Kashmiris has to suffer. Our basic human rights are violated. Our line of control is not respected. So we are not standing with anyone. We are not standing with India or Pakistan. We are standing here to call for peace, and we want that peace. I urge G7 nations to please do not ignore this issue. This is high time to raise this issue because Prime Minister Modi is participating in G7 nation. So we want everyone to please come and stand here for peace. and let all these Kashmiri to please live peacefully and with dignity and integrity in their own homeland. Thank you so much.
So there's an important event going on, G7 summit in Kanaskas. So what is the importance of this place and why all the people, all the gathering, they come up all over here?
Yeah, it's important right now. The people of the G7 summit is happening right now, and we're here to ask the G7 to understand that the rights and the people of Jammu Kashmir, this is not a geopolitical issue between India and Pakistan. We are humans. This is a human rights issue. We are being killed. We are being hurt within this conflict beyond the line of control on either side. We want freedom, we want independence, we want peace, we want a future for children, we want a future for men, women, people in Jammu Kashmir who want to live their life in a nation that is free, in a nation that is independent.
So there are 7 countries, in fact 8 countries heads, they come over in Kanaskas. So what is the message, from this place? Do you think that they're gonna give an impact?
It's important because we have to understand we are people, we are humans. We've seen genocides within history, we've seen genocides in different times. The fight that happened, the war that happened, we saw people's lives taken. We don't want this to turn into a genocide. The gathering of people here shows that we are human, we are people. We are people that want independence, we're people that want something, we need something. And we are asking the G7 to understand this as a human rights issue, as an issue that we need freedom, we want peace, we want independence. We want you to give us this opportunity to gain peace and independence.